Hi, I'm Lillian Ellen, the director of the Culinary Arts program at South Arkansas Community College. Today we're going to be making an orange tart garnished with a candied orange peel. I've gone ahead and taken the liberty of removing the peels from these blood oranges because I'm going to candy them. I don't like anything going to waste, so if you can use it, use it. You don't need anything fancy to juice oranges or any other citrus. You can do it like your grandma did and just squeeze it like this. So we're going to take these lemons after they're completely naked, and then we're going to juice them. And I've got my strainer right here to make sure that I don't get any seeds in there, because this curd is going to be kind of like a custard, and it's going to be very smooth. So the last thing you want is for one of your guests to pull a seed out of their, of their dessert, because sometimes the dessert is the thing they're going to remember the most. There's a couple of ways that you can separate your yolks from your whites when you're dealing with eggs and baking, but what I like to do is just get my hands dirty. I've got the eggs that are to be separated in here. I'm going to take the yolks out with my hands and put them into the recipe that I'm wanting to use. Alright, so we've cooked our eggs and juice ever so gently so it doesn't scramble. We've reduced this to a nappe, which is a French term regarding the viscosity of the liquid. You can move your finger across here and it makes a line on the back of the spoon that you can visibly see. So now we're going to take our butter and we're going to whisk it in until it's smooth. I've got 3 sticks of butter. And after this, we're going to let it rest for a moment, and then we're going to be ready to pipe it into our tart shells. We've made our orange curd, and we've toasted our various pastry shells. I made these from scratch, and these were phyllo, bought from the store in the freezer section. So we're going to do 2 different sizes. I've converted this into a smaller, more manageable vessel so that it's easy for me to pour the right amount. And I want to leave a little bit of space at the top. I don't want to fill these all the way up. That way, in case there's a bubble, I don't have a spill in the oven. So once you've got these babies cooled down enough, probably about 3 hours or more in the refrigerator, you're going to take your nice, smooth whipped cream, and you can offset it, or you can put a dollop in the middle. You can go crazy. I love the garnishing part of cooking because it means you're kind of towards the end, and people eat with their eyes before they actually eat what you've made for them. So this part's really important. And I used a chopstick to kind of squiggle my candied orange just to add a little flair. And there you go.